Everyone, based on whatever we learned in our previous videos about discount, interest, accumulated value, present value, let us do some few numerical problems. The first one, calculate the present value of rupees 1,30,000 due at time 3 years using a simple discount rate of 5% per annum. So first of all, we are supposed to calculate the present value. We had already seen present value can be calculated by considering the accumulated value into the discount rate multiplied by AV is accumulated value, VN is discount, what do you call, factor, discount factor. So where AV is accumulated value and V of N is discount factor. This is specified as simple discount rate. So this simple discount factor will be here V of N is equal to 1 minus ND. Therefore, present value will be 103,000 times 1 minus of N is given as 3 years. So 3 times. Discount rate is given as 5%. So I'll write 0.05. So if we evaluate this, we will get the answer or the present value as rupees 875,500. That is the solution for this particular question. Now let us move on to the next question. It says, given an investment of rupees 1,03,000, calculate the accumulation after 5 years if there are 3 questions: simple discount, compound discount, and compound interest. Let us go one by one. So what is given? Given an investment of rupees 1,03,000. That means present value is given 103,000. Calculate the accumulation after 5 years. So N is given as 5 years. Now let us proceed with the first one. Simple discount of 8% is applicable. We are supposed to find accumulated value. Accumulated value is present value times accumulation factor. Here we also know discount rate or discount factor is reciprocal of accumulation factor, or we can say accumulation factor is reciprocal of discount factor, or discount factor to the power of -1. So I can write this as, because the first question talks about simple discount, so I can write this as present value times the reciprocal of the discount factor. Now, present value is known to be 103,000. A discount factor for a simple discount already we saw here. It is here available. 1 minus ND. We can also say AN is nothing but 1 by V of N. So all are same. It's nothing but factor. So here it will be 1 minus of N. N is 5 years times discount rate is given as 0.08. So accumulated value therefore will be what? Let us calculate it. We get oh, sorry, here it is inverse. So I should divide it, whatever I get. 103,000 because it is inverse. 45 into 0.08 is 0.4. That is to be subtracted from 1. So we have to divide it by 0.0. I'm sorry, 0.6. 0.6. So if we divide that, we get rupees 171,666.67. 1,71,000. 666.67. Yes. So let us proceed to the next question. Here, compound discount. Again, we are supposed to find out accumulated value. Accumulated value is present value times accumulation factor. Here they gave us compound discount. So I can say present value divided by discount factor. And here it is compounded. So present value divided by 1 minus of d to the power of n. Okay, now let us substitute the values. It is 103,000 divided by 1 minus of the discount factor is discount percentage is given as 8% to the power of 5 years. Let's calculate that. Denominator is 0.92 to the power of 5. We get 156,278.09. That will be the accumulated value. Yes. Third one, compound interest. So accumulated value under compound interest is equal to present value times 1 plus I to the power of n. Here it is 103,000 times 1 plus, what is the percentage given? 8% again, to the power of 5. So 1.08 to the power of 5. Result has to be multiplied by 1,03,000. We get rupees 151,340.7. That is the third question's result. Yeah. Let us proceed to the next question. A payment of capture is given. A payment of 206,000 is due in 4 years' time. So that is the accumulated value is given as 206,000 is due in 4 years of time. N is given as 4. We are supposed to find what is the present value. Present value is nothing but accumulated value times discount factor. So AV times V of n. So let's proceed with question A. Present value equal to 206,000 times discount factor. Discount factor is, so this is for simple. Discount factor will be 1 minus n times, or I can write it here, accumulated value. No, not required. It will change according to the style. So let me keep it as V of n only. Here only we will modify the formula. 1 minus n times t. So that is 206,000 times 1 minus of 4 times 0.03. What is the result? 0.03 to be subtracted from 1, then multiply with the 206,000. We get rupees 181,280. So this is simple discount what I did actually. I'm sorry. I think I did the second part because I considered discount. You should correct it to B. A, let us do A now, which I missed it. Simple interest, if you want to find out accumulated value, it is present value times 1 plus NI. Means it is nothing but present value. I'll say present value equal to accumulated value divided by 1 plus NI. Accumulated value is given in the question as 206,000, 1 plus 4 years times 3%. So here we have 4 into 0.03 plus 1, 1.12. We get 183, 928.57. Okay, that is the first part of the question. Now let us move on to the third part of the question. It is on compound interest. So compound interest accumulated value is present value times 1 plus I to the power of n, which means our present value is accumulated value divided by 1 plus I to the power of n. So it is 206,000 divided by 1 plus, this is 0.03 to the power of how many years? 4 years. Let's calculate that. 1.03 to the power of 4, that is to be divided with this 2,66,000. We get rupees 183,028.33. That is the solution for that. Yes. So these are the solutions for these three different questions. In case if you find the contents to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.